Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a professional logo using Canva in just 30 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner working with a tight budget, a designer in training, or someone who simply loves DIY projects, Canva offers an easy-to-use platform to create stunning logos. No advanced skills or expensive software needed. Let's dive right in. First, head to Canva's homepage and type professional logo in the search bar. Once you hit enter, you'll see a wide array of pre-designed logo templates available. Canva's extensive selection ensures there's something for every style and need, whether you want something minimalistic, playful, or classic. Take a moment to browse the selection. It's important to choose a template that reflects your brand's identity, since your logo is often the first impression you make on your audience. After you find a template that stands out, click on it. Next, select the Customize this template button. This is where the real creativity begins, and you can add your personal touch to the design. Now you're in the Canva editor, an intuitive interface filled with tools to help you shape your logo exactly as you imagine. Don't be overwhelmed by all the choices. The key is to make the template your own by adjusting and modifying the elements. Here's your chance to experiment with different fonts, colors, and layouts. Start by editing the text. Click the text box and replace the placeholder text with your brand name or whatever message you want your logo to share. Make sure the typography you choose fits your brand's personality, whether that's modern, vintage, elegant, or quirky. Beyond the text, look at other design elements in the logo. You can adjust shapes, icons, or illustrations to better align with your vision. Use Canva's library of elements or upload your own images. Playing with the color scheme is another important step to express your brand's style in the design. Match the colors to your brand and use the color wheel to pick the perfect shade. Once you're happy with your design and feel your logo captures your brand's essence, go ahead and download it. Canva lets you export your creation in different formats like PNG or PDF, so your logo stays sharp for your website, social media, or print materials. And there you have it. With a little creativity and just a few clicks, you've made a professional logo that truly represents your brand. Don't forget to save your project in Canva so you can make changes later or create other matching brand materials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.